alone.
Yay!
I'm
not in this. We're delayed.
I'm not wearing delayed.
쉽지 않죠 바쁘죠 왜 이렇게
We're fed.
I was counting we can do math.
We can do a match and show them the cash. $64 exactly. Yeah. Don't make it rain.
Yeah, no.
No, don't make it rain. Don't make it
집에
rain.
가고 싶죠 집에 가고 싶을 거야 그럴 땐 이 노래를 초콜릿처럼 꺼내 먹어요 피곤해도 아침 점심 밥
Are at the annual Wall Sit Challenge of the Hong Kong Leadership Trip. Yeah, here's Tori, and I'm Madeline Wilson here commentating today. Our first contestant is Bailey Johnson. Bailey, what do you have to say for your wall sitting abilities?
We're gonna be unimpressed.
Okay, fantastic. And next up, we have Mackenzie Umscheid. Mackenzie, what's your favorite kind of pie? Apple. Excellent. Jensen Strasser, what's your favorite Panic at the Disco song? I don't.
Existential crisis. Panicking at the disco. Okay, at the moment.
Pick it up, pace. Okay, and Lone. You were looking very fine tonight. Lone. I'm running out of questions, so just say something.
I'm ready to always win.
Almost win. All right, Madison May, our fearless mother. Do you have Band-Aids? Are you prepared? Okay.
Band-Aids, normal Band-Aids, and Jesus Band-Aids.
Excellent. Well done. Larissa Esther. Is that saying your last name right? Maybe. Yes, your hair looks very fine today. Now, Larissa, are you ready to wall sit? Are your thighs ready? Possibly. All right, we're gonna go Michaela Bradbury. You look very nice in a skirt. Well done. Pulling off the maxi. Now, are you ready for our 17-hour plane flight? No, neither is anybody else in this group. Now, are you guys ready to wall sit? Hold on, I gotta back up. Are you guys ready to wall sit? 3, 2, 1, go.
쉽지 않죠 바쁘죠 왜 이렇게까지 해야 하나 싶죠 바라는 게 더럽게 많죠 그렇죠 쉬고 싶죠 시끄럽죠 다 성가시죠 집에 가고 싶죠 집에 있는데도 집에 가고 싶을 거야
Job. They hurt?
Yeah.
Are you feeling the burn?
No.
Which burn are you feeling?
처럼 꺼내 먹어요
Lifting off anywhere?
All about less. But you know, we're just in the airport and we did yoga, we did
Intensive yoga.
It was intense.
많이 좋아해요 더 많이 안아주고 싶어요 사랑 비슷한 걸 해요 어쩌면 정말 사랑해요 배고플 땐